Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil mursaleen amma ba'd fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today you are going to learn lesson number 10. Let's learn the rules first. Number 1, read this lesson both ways, that is without spelling as well as with spelling. That means, first of all, you have to read line 1 with spelling, the whole line with spelling, after that the same line without spelling. Then you will read line 2 with spelling and then without spelling. And in this way, you will read the whole lesson with spelling and without spelling, both ways. Next rule. This lesson comprises all the previous lessons, that is harakat, tanween, the letters of madda, khadi harakat, and the letters of leen. That means you will see all of the previous lessons in this lesson. You will see harakat in this lesson, zabar zer pesh in this lesson. You will see tanween in this lesson, two zabar, two zer, two pesh in this lesson. You will see the letters of madda in this lesson, alif madda, waw madda, ya madda. You will see khadi harakat in this lesson, khada zabar, khadi zer, ulta pesh. And you will see the letters of leen in this lesson, waw leen and ya leen in this lesson. All the rules, practice the recognition of letters thoroughly and spell them out correctly, especially huruf mustaliya. That means you have to apply all of the previous rules, the rules that you have learned in the previous lessons. Like you learned that harakat are pronounced, zabar, zer and pesh are pronounced without stretching and without sudden pausing. So when you see harakat in this lesson, when you see the letters of madda, read by stretching up to one alif. When you see the letters of leen, do not read by stretching or sudden pausing. When you see mustaliya letters, pronounce them with thicker voice. So you have to apply all of the previous rules that you have already learned. Let's start reading from line 1. Please read line 1 with me, and you have to read rest of the lines by yourself as usual. Let's start it. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Qaf, alif, zabar, qa, lam, zabar, la, qala, sad, zer, shi, ra, alif, zabar, ra, shira, ta, zabar, ta, shirata, ha, khada zabar ha, zal, alif zabar za, ha, za, zal, khada zabar za, lam zer li, zali, kaf zabar ka, zalika, kaf, alif zabar ka, noon, waw, pesh nu, kanu, qaf, alif zabar qa, lam, waw, pesh lu, qalu. You have read the whole line with spelling. Now you have to read the whole line without spelling, like this. Qala, sirata, hadha, dhalika, kanu, qalu. Now you have to read rest of the lines by yourself. Let me explain the rules in this line first. For example, look at the first box. You can see qaf in this box. The first letter is qaf, and you know that qaf is from mustaliya letters, so you have to read it with thicker voice. And after qaf, you can see alif madda, because zabar is coming before alif, so this is alif madda. You have to read alif madda by stretching up to 2 harakat. Next letter lam has zabar on it, harakat on it, so you have to read without stretching. In this way you have to think over the rules in each word, whether to stretch or not. Do I have to read with thicker voice or normal voice? Do I have to read with whistle sound or without whistle sound? So whenever you are reading any word or letter, think first. Think about the rule that has to be done here, and then read. I hope you can easily read rest of the lines by yourself by applying the rules that you have learned. Ya leen, waw madda, ya madda, alif madda, khadi harakat, mustaliya letters, and all of previous rules that you have already learned. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ala Muhammad.